Hi guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com and this is Meatgistics. During one of our recent live streams, Big John offered to give us a great pizza dough recipe. He claimed it would give me a leg up on us when we eventually did our pizza competition. Well, I wanted to try it, so I made some pepperoni here while I was propping open the door of the oven, trying to get the temperature to stabilize at about 120 degrees, and then I finished it up in the sous vide cooker. So his recipe calls for 4 cups of King Arthur all-purpose flour, but I decided to use the one that's specifically for pizza crust. 2 packs of dry yeast, not the rapid rise kind, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. So you're going to take the 2 packs of the yeast and mix it with 1.5 cups of warm water. Then you're going to mix the rest of the ingredients in an oiled bowl. Make sure everything is nice and mixed in, and then transfer it to a clean oiled bowl. You're going to cover that with some plastic wrap and let it sit for an hour. Then you're going to move it to the fridge overnight. Now then the next day, make another batch and mix that all together. Now this was a tip from him that I think is going to work out really well. So then once everything's all mixed together, we'll split them into batches about as large as we want, which is just 1 pizza dough, and then we can freeze them for up to 3 months. But just know that according to him, the longer it stays in the freezer, it won't be as good. Now we're using a pizza stone, so we're warming it up for an hour at 500 degrees. Now I like to form the dough into a circle. Now I'm not perfect at this, so it might end up looking more like a circle shape than a circle, but it'll be the right basic shape. Then we're gonna put it on the stone for 1 to 2 minutes to just kind of firm it up a little bit. This will make adding the toppings a lot easier in my mind. Now we're gonna add our sauce, cheese, and any other toppings. I like to sprinkle on some garlic Romano wing shake onto mine. It cooks really well up in that cheese, makes it taste nice. So we've cut our pepperoni pretty thin, and we're gonna put a good amount of that on top of the cheese. Now when we're ready to put it in, we're gonna lower the temperature of the oven to 400 degrees, then put our pizza in there right on top of the pizza stone for about 8 to 10 minutes, or just until the pizza dough is as hard as you like it, and the cheese starts to turn brown in a few spots. All right, so we're back, we're all done. Pizza took a little bit longer probably because I put so much cheese on it, but it is delicious. As you can see, like I said, it is actually more oblong than round. I'm not great at tossing the dough. Did my best with it though. Love this, it is delicious with the garlic Romano, so that is a great recipe for the dough that Big John provided. My only complaint, and this is probably more my skill with it than anything else, is it's a little thicker crust than I like. I usually like it pretty thin crust, but great pizza dough, really tasty, highly recommend this recipe. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching, I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.